Next, we're going to do the PerChar 3D. I'm going to open the PerChar 3D comp, and it's exactly as we were for the first comp, haven't changed anything yet. Select the text layer containing your name. Slide on the triangle and select Animator. Add an animator for position. And then add rotation. Set the position for animator 1 to 0, 0, negative 1600. So now it's very close to the viewer. Set the rotation for animator 1. For each of the rotation settings, we want it to have one rotation. So we've just been doing the degrees of rotation until now, but now we're going to do one rotation. Okay, now we got to get the range selector, and we're going to turn on the stopwatch for start. We're going to go to 4 seconds. We're going to change that to 100%. And now I'm going to do something we haven't done before. I'm going to go to the 2 views so you can see it from above. I'm going to go back to the beginning, Command S, and then I'm pressed my space bar. Well, you can't see it from above very well like this. It'll be better when we get to the center 4D, so I'm going to go back to 1 view. Command save.